Hello, this is the screencast for Aeneid, Book 4, lines 331 through 347. Now, at this point in the book, Dido has just finished her long and angry speech, having just found out that Aeneas has been planning to leave Carthage. So we pick back up here where Aeneas gets to share a few things. Refert pauca. All right, let's get into the text. This is some juicy stuff here. Dixerat. Eliois monitus immota tenebat luminet obnixus curam sub corde premebat. Dixerat. She has spoken. Dido is done with her speech. Ele, that man, held his unmoved eyes because of the orders of Jupiter, and, having struggled, he pressed the care under his corde, under his heart. Tandem pauca refert, ego te, quae plurima fondo enumerare vales, numquam regena, nagabo promiritam, nec me meminisse pegebit elissae, dum memor ipse mei, dum spiritus hos regit artus. Tandem, finally, he said few things. O Queen, I will never deny that you are, I would never deny that you have earned very many things which you are able to count by speaking. Nec, nor will it displease me to remember Elissae, to remember Dido, while I myself am mindful of myself, while the spirit rules these limbs. Pro re pauca loquar, nec quego hanc abscondere furto speravi ne finge fugam, nec coniguis umquam praetendi taedas ut haec in foedera veni. For this matter, let me say a few things. Neither did I hope to hide this flight in secret. Don't think it, he's saying. Don't think that I would try to do that. Nor did I ever pretend the marriage torches of a spouse. He's saying, like, nor did I ever pretend to be married to you, or come into these agreements. Me si fata meis paterentur ducere vita auspicis et sponte mea compenere curas, urbem Troianam primum dulcisque meorum reliquias colorem priami tectalta manerent, et recidua manu possuem pergama victis. So we've got this beautiful conditional statement here by Aeneas, starting off here with this si fata. If the fates were allowing me to lead life, by my authority, and to compose cares on my own free will, then I would cherish the city of Troy first, and the sweet remnants of my people, and the the high walls of Priam would remain. Sorry, I think I supplied an and there, and you don't need an and there. Just the high walls of Priam would remain, and um, I would place, or sorry, I would place revived Troy by my hand for the conquered. So Dido is just expecting him to say, "I'm sorry, I love you, I'm gonna stay," but Aeneas just hits her with this conditional statement, which I mean is just it really shows how it really shows his deep concern for the future of Troy and how just kind of he says here, if the fates were allowing me to, he's saying how like the fates have kind of a control of him, but then again he does have kind of a deep profound care and concern for Troy's future and everything to come with his people. So there's one more slide, and probably has one of the greatest Roman or Trojan lines that you could ever see. So let's get into that. Sed nunc Italiam magnum Gyrnius Apollo, Italiam Lyciae iusere capesere sortes, hic amor, haec patria est. So like I said before, Dido's just been waiting for Aeneas to say to her, "I love you. You are my love." But Aeneas just has this beautiful line, and you'll see in a second here. Sed nunc, but now, Gyarian Apollo has ordered me to seize great Italy, and Lycian lots have ordered me to seize great Italy. Hic amor, this is my love. Haec patria est, this is my country. So this is his response to Dido. You are not my love. This is my love. This is my country. He doesn't say that Dido is his love. He says the country, the future of Rome is my love. And I think I can't think of a better way to end off this screencast. Just an amazing response. I mean, he just puts her in her place. I can't emphasize this anymore. Dido is gonna be scarred. I mean, she goes on to take her own life, but I mean, this is just one of the greatest lines here, probably in all the Aeneid. Arguably, this is my favorite line for sure. But I really hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for tuning in. This was Bang Bang Style.